In question 5 of this exercise, there are 5 parts. In each part, a certain percentage of an unknown quantity is given. For example, in part A, 5% of an unknown quantity is given as 600, and we have to find the unknown quantity in each case. Now we can solve each part in two slightly different ways, using an equation approach or using a proportion approach. Let's solve each part using both the approaches. Okay, so in part A, we have 5% of an unknown quantity is 600. So we write, so let the unknown quantity be x. So we write 5% of x is equal to 600. This means that 5 by 100, this fraction of x, or 5 by 100 into x, is equal to 600, correct? Now from this equation we can find the value of x. So 5 by 100 is 1 by 20, and then we can take this 20 to the right side and multiply it with 600. So we will get x equal to 20 into 600, or 12,000. So this is the equation approach. Now we can also solve the same question using a proportion approach. So for the proportion approach, we write 5% of a quantity corresponds to 600, and the unknown quantity, let's say that is x again. So 100% of that quantity is x. So 5% corresponds to 600 and 100% corresponds to x. So now we can form a proportion from these two relations. So 5% is to 100% will be 600 is to x. So this is the proportion that we can form, right? Now 5% is to 100%, we can write this as 5 by 100, and 600 is to x, we can write it as 600 by x. So once again we can solve this equation. So 5 by 100 is 1 by 20, and we take 20 to the right side, multiply it with 600, and x to the left side. So from here we will get x is equal to 12,000 once again. Okay, so in part A, the answer is that the unknown quantity, the whole quantity, is 12,000. This is the answer for part A. Now let's come to part B. In part B, we are given that 12% of the unknown quantity is rupees 1080. Okay, so let's start with the equation approach. So we write 12% of rupees x. So let the unknown quantity be rupees x. So 12% of rupees x is rupees 1080. So this means that 12 by 100 into x is 1080, correct? And now let's solve this equation and find the value of x. So if we divide both sides by 12, this 12 cancels out, and 1080 by 12 will be 90. And then we can take this 100 to the right side and multiply it with 90. So that will give us x equal to 9,000. Okay, so the whole quantity is rupees 9,000. Let's do this using the proportion approach also. So we say that 12% of something, of the whole quantity, corresponds to rupees 1080, and 100% corresponds to the whole quantity, which let's write it as rupees x. So now we can form a proportion. 12% is to 100% will be rupees 1080 is to rupees x. So this will be the proportion that we can create. So we can write this as 12 by 100 equal to 1080 by x. Once again we can divide by 12 on both sides. So this will give us 90 on the right side, and then we take this x in the LHS and 100 to the RHS, and that will give us x equal to 9,000 again. Okay, so in the second part, the unknown quantity, the whole quantity, is rupees 9,000. This is the answer for part B. Then in part C, we have 40% of the whole quantity is 500 kilometers. So in the equation approach, we write 40% of the whole quantity, which is, let's say, x kilometers, is equal to 500 kilometers. Okay, and from here we can write 40% is 40 by 100 as a fraction. So 40 by 100 into x will be equal to 500. So this is the equation that we can form. Now 40 by 100 in the lowest form will be 2 by 5. You divide both the numerator and denominator by 20. So you get 2 by 5. You multiply 5 on the RHS. 5 into 500 is 2500, and then you divide by 2. So you take 2 into the denominator, you divide by 2, and this will give you x equal to 1250. So this is the whole quantity, 1250 kilometers. Let's do it using the proportion approach also. So we have 40% of the whole quantity corresponds to 500 kilometers, and 100% of the whole quantity corresponds to the whole quantity itself, which is x kilometers. So the proportion we can form is 40% is to 100% will be 500 kilometers is to x kilometers. So this is the proportion that we can form. So 40% is to 100% can be written as 40 by 100, and on the right side we can write the ratio as 500 by x. Okay, and once again 40 by 100 is 2 by 5, and if we cross multiply the denominators, we will once again get x equal to 1250. So in part C, the unknown quantity, the whole quantity is 1250 kilometers. So this is the answer for part C. Now we come to part D. In part D, the 70% of the whole quantity is 14 minutes. So in the equation approach, we write 70% of the whole quantity, which let's say is x minutes. So 70% of x minutes is 14 minutes. Okay, so this means that 70 by 100 of x, or 70 by 100 into x, will be 14. So from here, if we cross multiply 100 on the numerator and 70 into the denominator, we will get x equal to 14 into 100 by 70. Okay, and now let's simplify this. 70 by 14 is 5, and then 100 by 5 is 20. So we get the value of x as 20. So the whole quantity is 20 minutes. Let's do this using the proportion approach also. So we write 70% corresponds to 14 minutes, and 100% corresponds to the whole quantity, which is x minutes. So the proportion we can create is 70% is to 100% is equal to 14 minutes is to x minutes. So this is the proportion we can form, and we can write the left side ratio as 70 by 100 and the right side ratio as 14 by x. And once again, if you simplify this ratio in this equation and find the value of x, you will get x equal to 20. So in part D, the answer is that the whole quantity is 20 minutes. This is the answer for part D. Now we come to part E, in which we are given that 8% of the whole quantity is 40 liters. So in the equation approach, we write 8% of the whole quantity. Let the whole quantity be x liters. So 8% of x liters is equal to 40 liters. This means that 8 by 100 of x, or 8 by 100 into x, is 40. So once again, let's cross multiply 100 into the numerator and 8 into the denominator. So this will give us x equal to 40 into 100 by 8. Now 40 by 8 is 5, and 5 into 100 is 500. So we will get x is equal to 500. So the whole quantity is 500 liters. Let's do this using the proportion approach also. So 8% of the whole quantity corresponds to 40 liters, and 100% of the whole quantity corresponds to x liters. So the proportion we can create is 8% is to 100% is equal to 40 liters is to x liters. So the left side ratio we can write as 8 by 100. The right side ratio we can write as 40 by x. So once again, if we cross multiply and find the value of x from this equation, we will get x equal to 500. So in part E, the answer is, the whole quantity is 500 liters. So with this, we have solved all the 5 parts of question number 5. To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.